Hello guys. In this video today I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from TikTok video. TikTok's video is one of the most popular short video platform, and a lot has been going on with the help of recent, in which a lot of people want to know more about the help and how to make use of it conveniently. So one of the trending questions that a lot of people ask me on TikTok video is it possible to remove the TikTok video watermark, or is it possible to download TikTok video without watermark? So in this video, I'm going to address how you can easily remove TikTok video watermark. So if you have a TikTok video that has watermark and you really want to remove the watermark from it, so this post or this video is going to be of help and is going to really help you to remove the watermark on your own. All you need to do is you need a couple of apps to make this happen. So let us get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone and search for an app that's called watermark remove and hard watermark. So you need to download this app. This app is called Remove and Hard Watermark because it can be used to remove watermark from Android phone video and images, and as well be used to add watermark to videos and images on Android phone. Excuse me. So I have downloaded this video and I have installed it. As you can see, the app says it contains ad. It contains a lot of apps, but the app serves the purpose. So download the app on your Android phone. So once the app is downloaded and installed on your Android phone, you see the app as watermark manager. So the next thing you need to do is you need to go to the TikTok app, tap on the chair icon and copy the video link. Now go to Play Store, download an app that is called Snaptic. So you need to download Snaptic app. So Snaptic app is an app to download TikTok video with or without watermark. So it depends on your choice. Snaptic also contains ad, but the ads are not intrusive as Remove and Hard Watermark app. So you need to open the Snaptic app and wait for the app to load for the very first time. So once the app loaded, it will automatically recognize the link you copied from TikTok on your clipboard. So now you'll be given three options. The first option is to download the video without watermark. The second option is to download the video with watermark, and the third option is to download image. So in this video, we are going to download the video with watermark. Now this should last like a few seconds to a minute. So depending on the speed of your internet or depending on how the app is able to grab the video from TikTok. So let's wait for the progress and see how it is done. And you can see we are downloading the TikTok video, but mark you, this video will has watermark. So later we'll remove the watermark as the instruction from the start of this video said. It says we cannot teach you how to remove watermark from TikTok videos. So once the download is completed, we need to play the video to first identify the watermark. So you can see we have successfully downloaded the video from TikTok. Now we can watch the video by tapping on the play button. Now we want to identify the watermark logo. You can see the watermark is located at the top left above the username. So we cannot remove the watermark. Next, so the next thing you need to do is you need to click on let me disable my internet access so that the watermark manager will not run the ads. So let's click on watermark manager. Now this is the first interface you're going to see. You will see information like select video, select image, and gallery. The select video will take you to where you will select the video with watermark or the video you want to add watermark to. Same thing to the select image, but the gallery contains the video you removed watermark from. So in this case, we're going to click on select video, then tap on remove watermark. Now you go to your video directory. In this case, our video directory is our files. Now you can see this was the video we downloaded above in our previous step. So you need to drag this crop option to the watermark section of the video. So you need to cover the watermark with the crop icon, then tap on the save button. Then the process will begin. So once the process is done, you can either reprocess it or view the video, or click on the mark or check button to the top right to close the interface. Now in this case, we need to click on view. Now select your media player to open it. So in this case, I'm going to select MS Player. So let's see.
Yes, exactly. That is what I'm saying.
So this is the video. We have successfully removed the watermark from the video. So if you are looking for how to remove watermark from your TikTok video, this video should be of help. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our next update. Thank you.